We have a code there.
Nyankopɔ de adom yɛn.
Nobody has say. Yeah, you deal with the case one after the other.
That's right.
But I'm here to share the show.
Oh, all right, Ghana.
Bring Ken back. I don't know how to say. This is how to say.
Yeah, how they say. As it's so bad oba country to Ghanaians. Every say, Yesu say, Nyama bebre anko ye. I say, sikadie bi, sikawie bi, bukate bi akoso. Impenifo rezi issues no. So oba. Enye no nko a eye nkrofo ekeka ho. But ono anache say ogina mu on di mu tintiman.
Oh, okay.
Nti oba ne nsem na obeka no. And the betray. Remember, be an American. Me say, Oba, question number 1, ya bisa no, wa answer, ya bisa number 2, answer, ni na. After you grade, now we grade the evidence be a crane, ya de court. Let's just wafa wadi, anamwa. So one to my answer here, that's all munya evidence is say ya, no, and now be court. Nti adenti na wujane. Which means he say, no will be a shady team. Answer.
Yeah.
Share. January 2nd, and I can't show letter at the Kokoma Fremont Pare, the then chief of staff.
January 2nd.
January 2nd, 2025. January 2nd, 2025.
Okay.
Now, Omonya handed over.
Which was a name of Nina Yenkai?
Oh, my anima means Nina
Yenkai. Yes.
Hey, and you will never know.
Oh, meet me the amount 0242
0242
232 706. The number they will end that.
I'm on for every.
Oh, we end that. Oh my God.
Me do what to move from my friend. Wow, says Nyami Odo. So, enti what your letter no? Or the me pese me send him on
na you can be sure.
Send you ya obi nko kasi o.
Yeah, what start through.
Hopeson no.
Mr. We Hopeson that me number me then the HN number. We
we got you. We say asema be to no wa. Eh. Obi ti be Flavia was you on diminda. Sadi bano. Wanya botra wa hia ogodi na tem.
Oh, do you mean that?
Maybe I didn't know. Yeah, Miss okay. Oh, dear, me na mada, and when you mean, I did change Becassa. So, what do you mean? No, Afro. Aha, say Abba.
Yes, regardless,
I told you, what you kind letter than that.
Okay.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah, Munya Butrawai, now, your program, you are near Casa. Would you program it to your friend? Hi, Mr. I check by 11 year upon a to read him come. Do the Munya be friend for now? Why, Mr. Moore? So, we're your office of the Senior Presidential Advisor.
Yes.
And the Special Envoy for International Finance and Private Sector Investments.
Hey, you know, say, Finance Minister, you know, what who posted the man?
Okay, Finance Minister at large.
Senior Presidential Advisor. And special envoy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're special envoy now. Baby, how to be real?
Baby, how to be real? Yeah, sure.
Just how to be real?
Sure.
What's a foreign minister?
And message they say request for approval to travel for medical checkup.
That's right.
It's Ghana for you now, MFB. So this is the content of the letter. Now. Greetings. Trust this letter finds you well and in high spirits. This is to formally request your approval for to travel to Rochester, US of A for medical checkup from 4th January to 28th January 2025. I will be visiting the Mayo Clinic, one of the most expensive clinics in the world, for a prostate review and possible procedure as advised by the doctor in from my last medical review in August 2024. Whilst away, I may be contracted on any urgent matter of government via the following. So details in there. Yet to me, you're hiding those details for now. Yes, so or the man, the chief of staff.
That's right.
Yes.
I don't mind the kwan so wonko.
Last one of your letter no. No sure. Nyamishra.
That's right.
God bless.
Yeah, God bless. So do so there. Oh yeah, obe say obe Kenya me services here. Obe go to is here. What is your first one no?
Aye.
In high spirit.
In high spirit.
And I see whatever to God bless. Ken Ofori Atta Editro Ghana for. What that the authorities of this country.
I see.
What the letter no was say point number 2 was he will took from 4th January to 28th January 2025.
Yes, sure.
It means we'll call for about 3 weeks. And I say 24 days.
Yes.
He will be back to Ghana.
Yes, sure.
Was say the previous year no or call ye can say Mayo Clinic no or more a catcher and say sa period way no or for a checkup.
Yes.
And and walk. He was specific. And what they call you. Now or call ye near say yeah no man the lawyers are troll letter but say corner or corner a year indefinite.
Onim da obeba. Enti trese jisa atemuda nso ya enya de obeba. So anu wakwa tenemu a how can a public officer deceive the whole nation this way? How can a public officer deceive the authorities, your immediate bosses, ultimately deceive omo? Now deceive Ghana for na. Because wafa is here Jimmy. Wo kwaba 20 can say 28. Yeah.
And now 21st, right?
Yes, 21st.
Aka 7 days pepepe. Na 1 full year.
No, but say Oko hospital na near ombe say obeji advice from the doctors. Say Oko no first one not just say so Osasuko being for review. No, say I will be visiting Mayo Clinic for a prostate review and a possible procedure as advised by the doctor in from my last medical review.
Enya fe no okoji o. Woko you can say August 2024.
Yes.
Eti ho na okoye no ana mo man advice say
on some review
4th to 28 no omra for a review.
Yeah, sure.
Eti eno ho asem na no woka.
Oh, okay.
Eti na nya advice afi no woko akoje. So on eti no. Na dey no Mama Nantra House from 2024 August because he was in power into Obaba enjoy Nyama. So
yeah.
From that August to second na what your letter no Odum Nyama Winya Ukrum Hazi. I didn't want in America honum. But essence of more power he decided so Baba.
Okay.
Baba betwad the Nyuma so. This is the man I say what messy up the economy free honum. Near Satan post kakaka we near the amano. It is that time no say aban ebe kwa ko pay bia ono and ye can say in charge.
Yeah, sure.
Wakwa ye two president so sika bi wa ha ye nko ne nko fa as a finance minister krabam. Aden.
We are not in the firm no so akwaje.
No dey akwaje.
No waje percentage.
O kan na Ghana phobi say ultimi wo se nyankopɔ bɔ mo no obutu o mo adwene o se yen unti ase wo Gyamfi ni now defend this aje where it means say you don't think about your children.
Okay.
You don't think about your children. What one yes he can come Mayo Clinic in the US. What you want mo ye and mo take care wo yare a clinic in boy bia wo nyesikanko. Clinic wo mpotamu no e bi gba wo nyesikanko. Ni atrase mankofo dupu yen e di o ma ya brosei ni eti honum eti me de maybe who say arise Ghana for no yes you know in fact enura na me dwan ne wo mo.
Oh, okay.
Enura na me catch up say I want to be part of the group.
I see.
Na omo shase ne de omo leaders no ho mo yi I was not part until Adeba be kia fe me hu the preparation ni e kai ka ho me check date omo fire any time because time almost starting no na about 3 a.m. ewo US ana onim say US embassy won so there sa enclave ni nyina no
yeah
da omo satellite no so enti omo ti America so omo hwe omo mata no monitor everything that goes on there. Eti omo sorry a omo be so omo be kokoto no. Let us say sanoma we nyina aduru ho. Na eno eboa ye ema eno akoto ho no. The state attorney na okoye no. E ka kire judge ne say this person na ye ka ho asem no. Omo asene ye for extradition. Enti no ya anka judge no hwe na anka ye deport no. Ana judge na kan say omo kasa no extradition no enda nanim. Eti wonim hawa etie no watimi aye bibia fa ho. So
interesting.
Ana omo agene ade no to 27th April or so. Eti me ye sure pa say judge no will get it and go through. Eti omo apia biem no e bia na sem papa bia yeden every mo aba. Say
from now to 21st April.
About 97 days.
Yes. Obekoso awo and
Oba detention honum.
Obekoso ahye washing
black
na.
Na ye do ko se o mata de be na obehye. The white ni na academy. Obehye black this. So ne tie no. Be say MDB of a certain bank e ka kire me. What you say? Uhu obi amre bia wo hye white asoro. What discouraged me from wearing out?
I say, you enter the white, I just say, you copy baby the boo.
Hey, what's who be a rebia wash a white as Rose anybody?
No kuta Bible shana moto.
No kita Bible shana moto. One ne kasadu okotu, Madame Fubi. Or Gaso Bokotu Bible, sir. What did we moana a copy fiagwe and the paper and a December?
Copy fiagwe. Is it the Delhi?
Oh, me read 50 per day. I know your publication say, Madame Funa, Kwaku Annan, I'm saying what? And yeah, many copy fiagwe, then ya grow. What way can study way? Say. Yeah, we said that we couldn't talk about no.
That's another prayer. Get your lens.
Aha.
Get your lens.
That we won't talk about no.
That's prayer.
Akwala na nyemu ne de o no de ma hu fact ne de. But when I'm madam for the cover be urade see eh sai ka bi jange atwa no kwa eni ade enti sa pepepe ana ade ne tie ene pekete no to aso
no but some why na say monya
Dabi yantwen kra 14 days apart from Saturday Sundays in the woman no every day Monday to Friday bia na ebekoso from anopa 8 o'clock to enti me free here ya
more yet for 14 days.
For 14 days.
And now the so more or like or detaining for about 90 more than 90 days.
As I say, you pull all a year together.
Okay.
Or more share or more immigration issue. No, as I say, a binary request for extradition is also no. Yet to me, a trigger yima or mutimi a yahojuma. So on the Anna, unsam Rafono so do who says, yeah. And I say, and yeah, carry say, a binary per se, the mom citizens know ya idea. I don't know better me, I draw my attention, I'm on my because I quite remember say, Tama, former, let me say former, President Mahamadu, the first term, now a bano Kwakojilum or Germany, Deutsche Bank, and then it was about 72 million euros or so. Through tour, normally tour there, Kwakoye. And I don't know, and said that here, Sir President, for no more Kwakoye, and then said that here, parliamentary approval. And they just, Yenya who hint in the other. They go you, I got this Berlin. That I know Germany, you move called Berlin. Yeah, they are no, Amaso. And Brofunu who say citizens are sorry. Wamono who said, there be unnecessary a year. That you know, and ye be a dear tear Ken Ofori Atta, but it's a good cause. That's a set Ghana for yet to me who say, near a rise Ghana for no a good cause. Waba, Epia de Casa Mukrano, a belly did to certain things a betima retrieve sika, a one crofon crofo behold mubebre. because I only had one. Or more accomplices in Ano, or more you go as well. Ediasem. Or more council say, yen trying in absentia. No, me, I am totally against it. Do you know why? Or more trying absentia. Na say, won't you go no more na court convictino? Say, what jailina? Yeah. Wouldn't you go over the edge? Well, why again was a ya buasem no good so. I didn't hear Kaika. Eti, ma abaying ye any absentia try a beer. They should do all they can to bring him. I don't know about what you come cross examination, bisa question where you know, bisa question where you know. That is a true so near judge in a castle derby. In someone would buy in an Ken Ofori Atta Cairo. Just say, engine so be any so, and to find whom could dia. Hallelujah. So I can say, and someone who can you want to mention 1 year. It is Sassika way, a foul with someone share 97 million and the Kokutu Amanato Honia the Ade. Yeah, Jeffrey Hodmutia. Any idea. That's so. I didn't want anyone. It's only walk here with you. And some way, Akufo Addo say or no any personal pledge. Ada more lunch in Ukraine was said there won't be any fund from the state. Yeah, sure. The only thing is say a Bible master. Na adibi ohoduma yen hwe. Myanmar properties are more destroyed or assassin so. Why not quantify that no? Judges for what I know move. Yeah, Ghana National Passport Office. Yeah, headquarters. Yeah. Ghana Passport Office headquarters. There wo ye bugu ye. Ye bugu ye. Yes, said the sorry die. Adayana judges. Eti team. Yeah. Enye judge ba ko enye judge mienu. Ye bubu ni nyina. But is na embassy bi kran so e wo hodom. Ye bubu no. Embassies, yeah. So, ye bubu no. Chese enka eye against international protocol kran ade ade. But you see cathedral nti. Eno no ehu cost kran mayo. Abuna na yakoko tune ebo a ye de lupre ekoko fa free Israel. Abo ye wo bebre wo sha Israel. Abo na mo kokko fa free Israel no. Ye wo papa. Engosrani. No. Gabby. Ye de na engosrani. Me. Nyanko pardon mako Israel da. They visited historical towns in Ina. Okay. Me call Nazareth. Okay. Me call Jericho. Oh, okay. Me call Jerusalem. Okay. Me call Bethlehem. Bethlehem ye jina you know so na Jew for no money na no. Omo say omo suru ye kwa wan hwe na nkrofobia ko boy etu. Okay. That ye jina yi say na ye hwe ho no omo ameye anwuram. Any ade. Woko Israel in Kremufo about 60% of the population. Christopher about 15% of the population. Yeah. And Moses so no bread is saying, or more in Kaya so I walk on. One say, I sorry be a friend behind you said ending. My home or more salam down Hanum baby. What is the name of this? Is it Fordan or so? Oh, we refugee. Udru honuma a honum no more. Now shep ponom gusuna efepa. Look, when you go there and you mention Jesus Christ, they will tell you it's a story. Stop that story. Yeah. Israel for no. Israel for no. Now we call her by the famous now the biggest church in Jerusalem, the Church of Nativity. We call her my membership in Route 20. What more members are in Route 20? But ya ho na eba no ana chese won se omo de every day kronuma yema ahoho na na edwe na ebebe tretem menya kwan obi ka say was the membership of the yinankasa no enu 20 enso hwe Ghana ha sei ya fa no World Cup so on ye no ye kwado mo kire ba bi say aha na atemu da no ba beba da magidom yi land bi eti aha na wi ase nyina ba be shi ana me say na say Israel hankwa baby ani wo Misra ye fa honum omo state no friend Afula also ya Afula ye fa ho fo nko say omo ma megu sasasi we so amo be koso the whole world has ye ba be shia So on the channel.
Very interesting.
Just say, Samuel Mana Koswama, like, yeah, be before the day. Because you're brainwashing. Ain't you know? Hey, when you can you pay, Obi no be fa a year.
Sure. Fan World Cup.
Just say, near Kwako Samuel Mawe in that one. Ken, what day or budget buy? Or more approval on who say, expenditure we were previous year.
Yeah.
Why a payment to National Cathedral? Brother answer. When the bow that approval to two purposes are so on yet, and non quano, what you want to now say, or get guilty of a year. Now, what patch say? That they are make us say, sir, law terminology, no, why I say you are innocent until proven guilty, no, a nonsense. The legal fraternity that is so much no changes, I don't know. And no, now I am boarding politicians and more with me, Biaganeska. As is what we say, you are guilty until proven innocent. No, be a walk out as called to be a Muame. No more now, no more to talk or more wait about no more or more cancer essentially. So on the yet studio, hey, no be a raha. No what time camera go, no the achenu demka, near Dinachia, near Kwaku or circle. Near Jadino Yacheno. Court to be a was say. Court on car say a yintino. Yintimin caso ye profo. Is it not total nonsense? Eh? Eti until se Ghana best sano. This say yes share nyama. Look. China for decided so mo industrial revolution. Yeah. No mo kwa ya no mo hu say no. Corruption ade ba kwa ha wo mo. Ano mo change wo mo laws. I don't know say corruption or involved in corruption a first degree for felony. Punishable by firing squad.
Yeah, sure.
At in China, would you dream near near Coco to the booth straight. Straight.
And it happened to the
firing squad.
One of their ministers.
Eti ama omo ehono omo ye. Chase obia ye. Alert say, one conquer ye bibi, one conquer Jadamudia, any day guy come. So on your But it's our crowd by a former minister. Almost a war, particular persevere, Yado Cocotana.
I see.
Yen shed a crowd my umbacrum. Bibia upebia near provide mount.
Oh, okay.
So on your It won't mean conquer influence will be, say, I was a former minister, me yes, say, in the Kaika. No. Ghana has said, dear, MBA, or more fighting corruption, they are even worse.
Interesting. Why no now or come
the agencies, the politicians, everybody, they are even worse.
Yeah.
Opa for offices are or more dealing with you one by one. Let's check it. What means I do way Kosopa a year day and assassin way anti-ban conclude.
It's a shraj for Yoko for the CID department.
CID department. The OSP and the rest.
Whatever would do. I
don't know me. Everybody.
You are the crowd. OSP you are.
Sad Nkofo when you know. Identity. What you say a chadipa kama. Kwa wonse na feja na dumu okwanso adentia so bi ohodo mo na ahemfo atutu wo mo kente no mo aba president oh wonse we ni de na de naija ya slow down na eko ebeye den ne atimi ako but I like the posture of President Mahama. Ono was seen that being piece of fighting corruption.
Yeah.
And to get involved. For more the ultimate power to deal with it. One you never told anyone the Oboa.
But I sincerely hope and feel say Ken Yejano Bebo. Na say Mama no home. Oh, who get any be as the home.
ne omode ya amanfo no
oh my god
ya di bi bedi won Debbie me try radio so na me say ye di nkoma data me free ayi mu foforo ana ye di nkoma ana MPP ni betwe o me nya ma say me ye hwan ana me ka kire ni say me nya obia but ne me ye ya yetimi we power ni ana me kan ho asem how I did the Ghana Togo border control in the Kakika.
Yeah.
Sasemwe, me can 2017, 2018, 2019. I was boiling point on my FM. Me can we are not or move ball.
Your boy is some more.
Your thrower, why you are there? And in the Kakao. Me can't be.
That old Kaka.
Number 5 times. Oh, maybe me see as an echo black at Titiasia. Kadia got the Bayomo. Me say that time South Precious look Akufo Addo so me say e cheki me. Ya when election Akufo Addo catch Bawumia e wo Kumasi. Otumfo residents say I dedicate 2016 election to can say Hopeson Adorye.
Akufo Addo.
Me na me catch o.
Wow.
Na asem na me go ka enti no. Hey, mo nchi no ngotum. Ni afre me. Me call ye say me say ayemia asem na me kan ayemia say ana me say na say no say happy in Ghana me say Togo border I happy in Ghana jurisdiction be na wo ana Togo for atro yi bia bro say yakokum ni pa wo ana afina atom so omo tete wa okay ye ba de twen kakra e ho a so say sabona ese so omo no bi ka so omo anya ni pa nti no omuko detain me. Hey,
interesting.
Ni yedima kwa cells.
On that same issue.
As a same issue na Akufo Addo so dedicated 2016 victory no e de mame no. Same issue no o mama yedima kwa cells wo.
Wow.
Anzi wo. Mo sori kwa ya arrangement. Tiens famille code dans uma security court me ba wo mo remind me. Hey. Aneja adechen ye. Ade ye koye. Edru court wo ye free case na mko gina mani. Mo say judge na dani na ni ahwe me. No wa yi nani. Na mi gina ho. Me share me white. That day me ye Ken Ofori Atta. Na prosecutor na sorry. And the okay, you know, charge no the bokra no. I'm off for to go through with no more serious. Oh yeah na. Yeah, Mamudi ka bi say me gate or no me nya gate. On to okay na me lawyer sorry lawyer tapra. What sorry ya no say. My lady, on the start here, we go to by 11 authorities.
But me try one. Mamenka was enche bi ebeko Medina na ye ne MC wo ho no madin komo so ho no traffic situation extremely intense.
That's right.
Nti anope na tago ne other team no wo ho no but ye hwe say sabeka MC no ni we ya ne na di komo asat when ebeba no na ya notify mo me da say
to authority ni sa wo wie no say yes prosecution and no then was by court bail is granted. But say Ghana yedi.
Wow.
Ghana yedi because hono mo de me ko ne de no mo nim sa anya hwe 2 weeks immediate. That would him. The 10 was not a target.
Oh, okay.
The target was Asante Bediatuo.
Oh, I see.
Etime na me voka di na chinti no. Ya di me tumu a no say aha so mo hu. Ni pay a wo gina na chigra wo ye wanjima nkwanko yi no. Ade di na kwakotum chese emu nkrofo abam. Na mo ma yes ade we ya wie. Wusuro say di bi bedi o. Me say ada obeba pa say Jafa that day there, what they mama just 2 hours.
Okay, no.
Oh, mommy 2 hours appointment. To coordinate just the airport for just 2 hours. I go in the free preview. I think I brought na pay asa. Wa uni ete no. I just say Kwaku bunu. But you bet Jeno fail so.
Yeah, fair no describe fair no. What did they say?
What did they say? Up in top. Near Bepran hero aba. Na nkrofo ebe la ni omo app. E was street so. amo mo man fans no
body wo dream body wo
dream body
Debbie
esuro na wonu mu na sisi yi sa suro no efiri no mu ebro ababeduru what you say
yes
ye ngunu hangofu
it's esuro no
ye ngunu hangofu ya de no be sika mu ya be pela cruiser latest ni ya open top ni amanda story agina mu wo balance won she white immediately ye be pe white ma no no ahye no kita white handkerchiefs no they are man fans
to obey him as what say we are here no aba
that be so ko sa ne ho yare no aba enti no him ne na kwa fala boni ne fie nanim ne ni musa
more about the powder na
ave ye fani fie ne ori kwa ne na wura OSP odo
all right there go
yeah you know what afro so that be majuma nasa no ma be say okosro bafom obeba Ghana
oh yes about the sober
no bedru Ghana so dia ehunu ye be mana free no mu
oh okay
sani be ya ibisa no question a obetime abiebie nsem ye eti Ken mesro say oba you be my hand onene de ye nya sade no
I see what court can ediafa the defamatory statement agrada Patricia Evangelist Patricia oyedefa Gifty Adorye who asisi no court say on 100,000 Ghana cedis efa mano no fa pata ne kra na afi asumdwe embra na bibi asonko but when am bibisa senti 100,000 no obetu free prison hold mo na some mekwa kwaji ana what yeah that mean
ewo me lawyer ho
na say court enra
the thing is a consent judgment
oh okay
oma the lawyers are approaching me lawyers no
okay
say asem all kind there to be frank enya dia owo nyina so bia
oh okay
enti ya dia esi ya ehye no enti no so ye de ebe hye yen
oh okay
enti oka no wa enti ompese ombe pache na ye settle asem ana me say ono kanwa me de na me makwan kra enti na say me lawyers ne kasa ya na so okay enti ye transi ana kasa okay me edikan I say o ye public apology
yeah
na omo obi ehun sa asem na okan no na nokura bi anim omo jetum ayi videos oye ye nyina no ono ni page ni handles ni na obe delete afri ho no
okay
omo je anu susu tumu afi me legal fees me lawyer charge me 60,000
okay
first 50,000
yeah
ye kona no sakoka asem from ne san siu another
okay another case so
anu susu 60,000 akoye 120,000 Anna, because of damage and the demand, filing fee was 14,800.
I see.
And this is year 2. Eti nature say a cover just 2,000 na 150,000.
Yeah.
Enti omuntua eno no. Won say call no first I'm say court, I'm say second one. Court to bua yi bi motion bi omuvu ye court to bogu ye. Ana omo award 6,000. So untua ma gift. And ni na de che no.
Oh okay.
Ya say empene kapre kra.
Okay.
Omfa. Na no kra na ye pese amanfo hunti ana ye court no.
Okay.
Eti omu yes adi ni nyina wie no. Ana ye so okay. Ana ye we've agreed. And what we are going to do and say ye be hwese omu tue sika ni wie then we go and file the agreement. Okay. Na court adopt it at the ama the judgment.
Oh okay.
Ana omu ye I told them say enya dia ye be kwakọ move any motion until they pay the money. So omu dey can dey half every man lawyer and I'm catch omu say until some be tua in full.
In full, okay.
No way. And I'm catch omu say so month and so the next court day e dru so a ye be continue with asem no.
Okay.
Eti na enra and the next court day.
Yeah.
And I'm saying 3 days time.
3 days before the court.
Omode is canon kaye. E koma lawyers no. Timo na lawyer frame me say wo nkrofo no discover ntino.
I see.
Yeah, call
check and not cash because
no, check is saying cash. David.
I see.
150 no almost 300,000 back and forth. Me say me because one called the same hunu ma me boka.
Yeah, sure.
Ejo mo kasa ya me hwenu kru no.
Angel na never angel same.
Ne lawyers na never.
I see.
Adam wife so yemfa ne say dey abo for you.
I see.
And the jay show mu a say ya de ema enti o ma ba bitua. Enti enura court adopted and rule on it say and na report no by say he has been awarded.
But so looking at the circumstances but they are where Agrada finds herself now. Obetime ba that public,
what they can ye apology no from you can say true new lawyer. Once the lawyer issue that public apology. No?
Yeah, but say that can mean some more expected or no one can say.
Once the lawyer aye no, okay.
Okay.
What you say? The lawyer aye ama, just say, I mean, anya publication, what publication?
I see.
Ami anya say you. In the judgment, the court is directing, say NITA and the National Communications Authority, can say no. Or more and delete all videos. Ama many our system no. And to the court judgment, where NITA cannot delete, that's say Google. They will use the judgment to apply to Google to delete na every moment. You can say
very well.
Number 2, bloggers na mamifa we sina we koso. Bloggers na no more running commentary shares I am saying this, they should listen to it. You need to delete it from your walls immediately. And yes sir, me who bia wo kokot na ba so be pa cho amempinu.
I see.
Nipa no ka se no was work no wa court my judgment on it. It's our blogger. Make sure you delete it.
Very well.
Make just apologize. Just delete it.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.